Come on, bros. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, Lee. Why are you not drinking beer with us?
No, I don't want to drink.
The BBQ, you don't want to eat them?
No.
You don't eat, you don't drink. What's wrong with you?
I ate barbecue and drank beers for several days. Look, I had lots of acne on my face.
Your body must have fire now.
Yes, of course, I think so.
I think you can have iced beer, then you can lose your body fire. I think your acne will gone soon.
It's impossible.
You drink beer. I think I can add some wolfberry to your drink. It's a perfect match of Chinese medicine with beer.
No, this is definitely not the correct way of health cultivation. Okay, so staying up late, taking barbecue, drinking beer become the standard feature for you guys, young people. Actually, when you enjoy yourself in this way, some healthy problems will appear.
Professor, what kind of health problem?
Nausea, vomiting, and some stomach discomfort. Loose stones, look at Li. Some acne on her face. Okay. Because from a perspective of Chinese medicine, this food belongs to fatty, sweet, and thick food, which hinders the transportation of spleen in the stomach and cause dampness and heat. Because it hinders the transportation of the stomach and spleen.
Professor, so what should I do? Can I take some ice milk tea instead of the beer to remove the fire in my body?
Definitely did not. Don't take any cold food. Actually, a lot of people think acne is too much internal heat. But at the same time, you also have dampness inside the body. Eating too much cold food will also hinder the transportation of spleen and stomach and will not solve this problem. Actually, it will aggravate it.
Oh.
So my suggestion is these days you can take some warm digestive food and light food, especially for dinner. You know, look at me, I just take some salad for supper. Actually, it's too late now, so I suggest you guys go back home and have a good rest.
Okay.
You know, eating and drinking in a healthy way and living in a regular way is a real way for keeping fit.